So as we enter December, things start to get a little bit busy around our house. But one thing we always try to do is sit down together as a family and watch Christmas movies. We watch the same ones every year, but it's something we really enjoy doing and try to get through probably close to a dozen of them by the time the season's over. We all have our favorite ones. I have a few that I hold a little in higher regards than others.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, Clark!
Got invited to the Christmas party by mistake. Who knew?
Oh, fudge.
He's an angry elf.
And in the past, if you look back to last year, I did a short on a little Christmas ornament that is related to what I consider one of the better Christmas movies of all time, Die Hard. And we'll show a little clip of it right here. And then I decided this year, I was looking for something to make a video of, and I thought, why not cut something out on the CNC? I can show a few new things that I've never done before, and a few ways to get some designs that I've never shown before. So keep watching, and we'll get started into this and see how it turns out. I created a board that was 13 inches by, it was about 11 3/16. So I set the stock size to those two measurements. The thickness is 3/4, and I wanted the 0 to be on the top lower left of the board. So I have all that set and ready to go. And so here is the workpiece. Now, I've never done this before on a video, but I wanted to show you a great resource for getting design ideas and actually designs that you can import into your CNC project. So we're going to go over to a website called Creative Fabrica, and there's a link down in the description of this video. It will get you locked in at a discounted price. As you can see on their website, they are having a Black Friday sale that is extended right now. I can't guarantee that that will stay that price, but as of the filming of this video, that's a deal they have going on. This is a great resource. Has fonts, which you can use in your designs. It has graphics that you can use in your designs, and you're allowed to use them. Most of them are commercial use even, so you could use these items and resell whatever it is you're using them on, and you're allowed to use them commercially and make a profit on them. So it's a really great resource. I highly recommend you checking it out. So, but we're going to start with something. I want to do a Christmas themed wall decor, and so we are going to type in "You'll shoot your eye out." So we have some designs that come up here. I'm looking for one that will cut nicely on a CNC machine. I see this one. I think the crack in the glasses might be a little tough to see. Let me see if I can find something. This one here would be pretty good, actually. I don't love the font, but I think it will work. Let me see if there's anything else. So you can see there's tons of different options. People design these and put them on the site, and I think these are going to be hard to get the crack in the glasses. Actually, I'm going to try this one right here. So what I'm going to do is download it. You see this, it comes in an SVG, PNG, EPS, or DXF file. It looks like there's another one here behind this PNG. So it comes in a zipped folder. So I will extract that. Alright, I'm going to go into, back in Carbide Create now. I'm going to go to Import. There it is. So I'm going to Downloads folder, and this, I believe this one right here will work. Yep. Okay. So it imports in. I'm going to group all this together because I'm afraid if I don't, I'll end up screwing it up. And what we're going to do is we're going to resize this. So I'm going to make it something that fits the work area nicely. Maybe a little bit bigger. I believe my grid is 3/4. I'm going to check that actually. So you can check your grid right here. It is 1/4. Sorry, not 3/4. I don't know why I even said that. So this would give me a 1, 2, 3, not quite a 4-inch or a full inch margin. It's a little bit under an inch margins at the top and the bottom. It's a little bit more than that on the sides. Let me see. I'm going to try a tool and see if this will carve nicely. So I'm going to do a V-carve. Now, this V-carve bit, it is quite large. It's an RC 1142 from Shapeoko Tools, and I get that on Tools today. Let me double check this. Okay, so you can see here, Tools today at number 1142. It has a 1.5 inch diameter, and I have this all set up. I took the information off of Tools today and imported it into here, and that is a nice size bit. The reason that I want to go with that large of a bit is I'm looking at this U and out, and it is really wide right here. If you don't have a wide bit, it won't cut it right. It's going to look weird. And so we want to make sure we get that cut right. Now I'm looking down here in the glasses, the broken glasses, and I think this is going to be okay. So what I'm going to do, and max depth 0.1, let's go just in case those bigger letters aren't working quite right. I'm going to do 0.2 on the max depth. It isn't going to hurt to go deeper. And it just calculated at 15 minutes. Now I'm going to do a show simulation, and usually when I do this I actually take the toolpath and rapids off. I uncheck those boxes because sometimes it makes it hard to see the actual cut. So I want those off, and now I'm just going to rotate it and I'm looking at these letters and I want to see that they're cutting right. I don't want, if they aren't supposed to have this little bulge right here at the end of the U and here at the end of the T, I want to eliminate those. And sometimes those are bulged out like that because the bit isn't capable of making the cut. So I'm going to go back in, I'm going to hide that simulation. So it looks like it shouldn't be like that. It looks like it should just be straight. So the fix is maybe to go a little bit deeper on this max depth. Let's see what happens here. So I'm getting a little bit better look here on the T. You can see it's more of a straight T here. The top of the U, definitely better. I think we can go with that. I like how it looks. There's a little bit of detail here on the broken glasses, which is nice. You can see it right there. I like that. So we're going to cut this out on a red stained board. So there's my design. We're going to just save this and send it to the machine and get it all set up and ready to cut. So here's the final product. I think it turned out really good. I am gonna cover this up with a clear coat just to protect it. Other than that, it's done. And I'm gonna do something a little different in this video. I've never done this before, but I'm gonna give this away to somebody, one of the viewers out there. One thing I'd like to do, and this isn't a requirement of this giveaway, but if you could drop your favorite Christmas movie down in the comments, let's just see what ends up being the most popular one. And the other thing is, in the description of this video, there's going to be a link, and it's going to take you to a page on my website, and it's just going to have a sign-up sheet. It's just name and email is all you need to do, and we're going to have a contest, and somebody, one of you viewers, is going to win this. I'm going to ship it out to you, and I'd like to end this week. So I am filming this on Sunday the 2nd, I think it is, 3rd. Sunday the 3rd of December 2023. We're going to end it on Friday. What is that, the 8th, I think? So we're going to end it this Friday at noon. So that's Eastern time, noon. Once that time hits, we'll end all entries. And I'm going to randomly pick one of the people who signed up, and you're going to win this thing. So all the rules are on the page where you sign up, so please take a look over those. Nothing crazy. I'm sorry, international viewers, I am not offering this to you just because rules can be a little bit different from country to country. I don't want to make any kind of thing, do any kind of rules that I shouldn't have or didn't, need to include something I didn't know about. So we're just going to keep this to U.S. only, and also that makes it easier for my shipping. Trying to get it across the country or across the world, a little bit more complicated. I'd like whoever wins this to have it before Christmas. So take a look at that, click on that link, and hopefully you'll win. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.